I'm just wondering if you could, to put a little context in this, what you know about the history of the Jewish community in Bulawayo. I know there were several waves of immigration, and at its peak there were over 7,000 Jews in the community in Rhodesia. Can you give us a little overview of what you know?
I have somewhere at home the 100th anniversary of the community, which was probably 10 years ago, 2012, maybe 2000, 12 years ago. I know that there were, what happened was there was a large influx of Lithuanians, Litvaks, but there were also a lot of people who came from England because this was a British colony. And the two met and accepted each other and formed a community. It almost came like there were the barons who were a formidable presence in the community because they had established, their great-grandparents had established many aspects of the community. A shul was built almost immediately, the shul. They just took off as a Jewish community, and they thrived. They started off in tiny little stores near the railway line at the railway station, because that's where there was no river. You know, usually in a city with a river, that's where all the development starts, and then it goes outwards. So this mainly started around the railway station, and then was built in. They were almost like dynasty families from the founding fathers, and nobody left. Nobody left until the political situation became unsettled in the 60s. That's when, the 50s and 60s, and then you started seeing children leaving and not coming back.